Moving on, the Samvidhan showdown gets bigger. Home Minister Amit Shah has announced that the 25th of June every single year is going to be observed as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas. He said that the Divas is a tribute to those who suffered pain, torture and oppression during the emergency imposed by Indira Gandhi in the year 1975. Adding that Samvidhan Hatya Divas will work to keep alive the eternal flame of protection of democracy and individual freedom inside every Indian. The Prime Minister has hailed the decision to observe 25th of June as Samvidhan Hatya Divas, saying that it will serve as a reminder of what happened when the Constitution of India was trampled over. Well, it's also a day to pay homage to each and every person who suffered due to the excesses of the emergency. Congress unleashed dark phase of Indian history. Congress MP Jairam Ramesh has hit back, calling the announcement a headline-grabbing exercise by the government, and that it is 4th of June that India will remember as Modi Mukti Divas. He's also hit out at Prime Minister Modi, saying that for him, democracy equals demo-kursi.
We all know that the BJP is rattled and they are unable to face the constitution story. We all know that when we named India Alliance as India, they try to bring Bharat into it. Now when Jai Samvidhan is an issue, they wanted to divert it from this kind of things. It's a diversionary tactics. The RSS has trained BJP friends for it. And we all know that the real issues, they want to divert the people of India from the real issues.
वो जो चैप्टर थे वो इतिहास का एक पन्ना था और इतने बरस बाद भाजपा खुद को वो उनका जो एंटी पीपल पॉलिसीज है, डिजास्टर्स है, उसका जो बुरा हाल है देश का, उससे नजर घुमाने के लिए ये पुराना कार्ड वो खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
जिस दिन आपातकाल लगी थी उसके बाद तो बहुत से चुनाव हो चुके, बहुत से जनादेश आ चुके, लेकिन ये भी सच्चाई है जिस दिन से मोदी सरकार ने सत्ता संभाली है हर रोज संविधान की हत्या हो रही है, संविधान की उपेक्षा हो रही है, संवैधानिक संस्थाएं नष्ट की जा रही हैं। तो अगर भाजपा सरकार उसे पुकारना चाहती है संविधान हत्या दिवस के रूप में, तो मैं कहूंगा मोदी जी का कार्यकाल संविधान हत्या युग के रूप में जाना जाए।
कभी कभी मुझे बीजेपी पर, अमित शाह पर और नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सोच पर हंसी आती है। जिस संविधान को उनके पुरखों ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया था, जिस संविधान के तार तार करने में उन्होंने कोई भी कसर नहीं छोड़ी है, आज वो इस तरह के दिवस मनाने की बात कर रहे हैं। पूरा देश असल में 4 जून को मोदी मुक्ति दिवस मनाने जा रहा है। पूरा देश हर दिन रोजगार हत्या दिवस मना रहा है। तो इस तरह की बातें करके मुद्दों से आप भटका नहीं सकते। मुद्दे इस देश के सामने बेरोजगारी है, महंगाई है, आर्थिक असमानता है, जलता हुआ मणिपुर है। उनके दिवस कब मनाइएगा, वहां कब जाइएगा?
देखिए, पिछले 10 वर्षों से देश में अघोषित आपातकाल लगाने वाली सरकार इस तरह का कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन करे, देश जानता है कि पिछले 10 साल में इस सरकार ने संविधान को लेकर के क्या किया है। यह सरकार सिर्फ ध्यान हटाने के लिए इस तरह का नोटिफिकेशन कर रही है। और चूंकि अभी जयराम रमेश जी ने एक ट्वीट किया है और बहुत अच्छी बात उसमें कही है कि 4 जून को देश ने जो है मोदी मुक्ति दिवस घोषित कर दिया है, तो अब यह सरकार कोई भी दिवस लाए, देश उससे सहमत नहीं है। इस सरकार से मुक्ति ही अब देश के लिए संविधान से जुड़ने की और संविधान को आगे ले जाने की असली बात होगी।
25 जून को संविधान हत्या के रूप में देश इस दिन को हर साल मनाएगा। मैं इसके लिए देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को और देश के गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी को बधाई देता हूं और धन्यवाद करता हूं। हमारी आने वाली जनरेशन को यह पता होना चाहिए, हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ियों को यह पता होना चाहिए कि कांग्रेस जब जब सत्ता में आती है वो किस कदर गिर सकती है, किस कदर वो कत्लेआम करा सकती है, किस तरह से वो इमरजेंसी लगाकर हमारे बोलने की आजादी, हमारे चलने की आजादी, हमारे जीने की आजादी और तो और कैसे बड़े बुजुर्गों को नपुंसक कर दिया गया था। ये जानकारी देश के हर आने वाले नागरिक को होनी।
All right, we have in fact more news coming in. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has reacted on the government. who's decided now to observe the 25th of June every year as a Samvidhan Hatya Divas. Banerjee says the government may not continue. This government may not continue. Unstable state government. Maximum emergencies under Modi's rule. They brought new criminal law. No one knows what is happening. Everyone is afraid is what she said. Piyush, in fact, is getting asked more details. Piyush, this has come, in fact, as a bit of a surprise as well, given that on the 25th of June, the government was critical of what happened 49 years ago. But to walk a step ahead and declare this as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, the opposition says is taking it too far. Well, we'll go back to Piyush in a moment from now, but these are the details that we have with us as far as Mamata Banerjee's reaction is concerned. Says this government is unstable itself. They may not continue. Maximum emergency under Modi's rule. They brought the criminal law. No one knows what is happening. Everybody is afraid is what the Chief Minister of West Bengal has said. Disapproving of the move of this government for bringing in or deciding to declare the 25th of June as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. The government today, in fact, has declared the 25th of June as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas. The Prime Minister has also welcomed this move. The West Bengal Chief Minister says that this government may not continue. This is unstable. The government may not be able to continue because it's an unstable government, she says. Piyush, in fact, is back with us for more on that. Piyush, I was asking you about the fact that the government has, in fact, taken this fight against the Congress further by deciding to commemorate the 25th of June as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. The opposition clearly not amused.
Well, absolutely, a massive showdown can be seen between BJP and Congress after the government's decision of commemorating every year 25th June as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas. You would also remember that the issue was raised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself on the very first day of the special session, where he had said that our constitutional level will never accept what actually happened around 50 years back when the emergency was imposed, after which we had seen how the last 25th June was also being seen as the Black Day by BJP, where multiple programs were organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party across the country by marking this day as the Black Day. Now the government has decided to observe this day every year as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, but the Congress is saying that it is an attempt of just grabbing headlines. What about the Modi Mukti Divas, which we are observing every year on June 4? So at one side, Congress is saying that the government is now trampling upon the rights of the citizens of this nation. On the other side, BJP is hitting out at the Congress party for imposing emergency in the country.
All right, Piyush, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details. We have, in fact, the Chief Minister of Bengal saying that this government is unstable and won't continue after questions were asked about the government's decision to declare the 25th of June as Samvidhan Hatya Divas.